How to redeem the Delta gift cards. Hey guys, and welcome back. If you want to use certificates, e-credits, or Delta gift cards, it's quite easy. First of all, you have to open any of your browser and go to delta.com/redeem. Or what you can do is directly search for redeem Delta gift cards. This will give you the first link, which is for the official website to redeem the e-credit. The gift cards may only be redeemed for the cost of air transportation, including taxes, fees, and surcharges imposed on the air transportation and Delta vacation packages. You are eligible to use up to 5 transactions or gift card per transaction. Scroll down a bit, and here you have to first provide the details regarding your gift card. First is the gift card number, then the PIN or the redemption code. Then tap on login or lookup and you're good to go. So this is how you can redeem your Delta gift cards by adding it. Now you can use it for any transaction that you want. That is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.